Three Air India aircraft parked at Delhi Airport's Terminal 2 sustained damage after strong winds during a sudden storm caused ground equipment to break loose and strike the planes. In the video, we can see the terrifying moment and realize how close the planes had come to a collision. No injuries have been reported in the incident. Sources indicate that no prior weather warning was issued to airlines or the airport operator before the storm hit. All three affected aircraft have been withdrawn from service and are undergoing detailed technical inspections.